Today we're going to be looking at dot plots and comparing their data pieces. So the first thing we want to look at is this particular data set on the top is talking about the number of miles skated each day, and July is the month. And then at the bottom, the other dot plot saying that this is the number of miles skated each day in August. And we can see that we have 0 to 15 on the scale itself for both, but the dots don't all land in the same spot. So for range, we're going to take the highest dot minus the lowest dot. So in July, we see we have 15, and let's find the increments here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are kind of by ones. So this is 1, and this is 15. So we're going to do 15 minus 1, and that's going to give us 14. For August, we'll do the same thing. We're going to find the highest dot, which is this one, the furthest to the right, and the furthest to the left. So we see this is what, 10, 11, 12. This is 13 as the high, and 5 is the lows. 13 minus 5 equals 8. Now we're going to find the mode. That's whatever comes up the most often, and that's going to be the highest stack of dots in this case. So when we look at July, we see that this one right here is our most. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our mode for this one. Then when we come down to the August, this one's the highest, not by much, but it's there. So 10, 11, 12 is our mode here. Median is going to be our middle number. So we're going to rule out highs and lows. So I'm going to go one low and one high until we get to that middle number. So you notice I cross out a low to a high and high. So this leaves me with 2 in the middle on the same number. So I'm good to go. I don't have to average this one out. Since they both land in the middle, 8 is the median number here. Now the median number, the middle number of August. So I'm going to cross out a high and a low, low, high, low and high, a low and a high, a low and a high. Both happen to land here also. This median is 10, the middle number. The last one's going to be the mean. That is the average. That means we have to add every dot's value up in order to get the total. So this one, I'm going to put down 1, and this is a 5, 6, that's a 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a 10, 2 11s, 12, there's a 13, and a 15. We're going to add these up, and then we're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, just counting. So we're going to add these up and then divide by 12. We're going to do the same thing down here. We have 5, 6, 6, 7, that's 8, 9, we have 2 10s, 11, there's 3 12s, 10, 11, 12, there's a 13. We're going to add these up. So here at the top, when we have added all of these up, we're going to get 105, and it's getting kind of messy. We're going to do 105 and divide it by 12. Once we work this out, we're going to get 8.75. Down at the bottom, once you add all of these numbers up, you're going to get 114. Then to get the average, which is that mean, we're going to take 114 and divide it by 12. Why 12? Because there's that many dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you take 114 and divide it by 12, you're going to get an average, a mean of 9.5. So once again, when you're going through these, remember that range, mode, median, and mean are given to you in your vocabulary slides. And then come back and rewatch this video if you can't remember how to calculate them.